All right, folks, what we have here is a 2016 Camry XSE. We're going to do an air filter change today. All right, this is the AutoZone brand STP SA 10957. All right, it's pretty simple. It's right here. Look at it. It made some nice extended handles over here for you to grab. That's pretty cool. All right, there's one there, one here. Before you take anything apart, just make sure to look around your area over here and make sure nothing's going to accidentally disconnect, right? Know that there's two hoses here, there's a hose here, and there's a plug back here. All right, all the stuff is going to flex up and out of the way. I'm going to show you how we're going to do it. It's pretty fast. All right, let's see, I'll place it right here. All right, simple. Two clips, so one here, one over here. Okay, once that clip is off, this is going to raise up, and there's a little slots over here. Okay, see those slots? Right here. They slide right in there like that. There's two of them. To slide it out a little bit, just a tab. Okay. And then this will be able to lift up out of the way just enough for you to get the filter out. All right, like I said, watch out for the hoses over here on the sides. There's your filter. That's how dirty it is. Look at that inside. See? Just grab any pleat, open it up, and that's the dirt. All right, the new one's gonna go in the same way. Back the same way. Lift it up. Toss it in there. It'll sit just fine. Like I said, this is now gonna slide in to those little slots in the back. Once it slides in, then you're just going to clip it on. There's one. And there's two. There you go. Pretty simple, pretty fast, easy. All right. Thanks for watching. This is a V6, by the way, 3.5. All right.